Fig tree from hell.
Good.
And
it's good for ex-wives and...
Yeah, it's very poisonous. So that's why today you only have few dragon trees, original ones, because they almost killed all of them. Hi guys! Today we are in the Dragon Tree Park. It's called Núcleo dos Dragoeiros. It's in São Gonçalo. And we will show you a little bit of the Dragon Tree Park and the trees. What else?
It's a beautiful spot for people who like nature, like plants, and, local plants. You also can hear some dogs barking everywhere. We saw a few butterflies, but Patricia is of course way too slow to film them.
They're
otherwise, otherwise we would show them.
I will try, I promise. And it's a beautiful garden. It's a small garden, but they also have a, what's the name?
I don't know.
It's a...
I don't know.
Conservation... Well, they teach you about the nature in here. They have a... I forgot the name, Bimbi, the nucleus.
See, this is what happens if she comes unprepared, you know.
I'm not unprepared. He just said. It's just I forgot the word in English.
She only had one job and she didn't get it right.
They're an institute of conservation now. And they teach you about the nature, the endemic species of Madeira. And the dragon tree is one of the endemic species, not the endemic, the indigenous species, because they are found in the Madeira archipelago, Azores archipelago, and the Canary Islands and Cape Verde.
Bravo!
See? I remember.
I
paid attention.
Not like in school.
Yeah. They have in this park, they have the endemic plants of Madeira, and they have also the indigenous plants that are the ones on the 4 archipelagos. They call the Micronesia archipelagos because they have more or less the same climate. From here you have a really nice view of the ocean.
And for once we have sun.
Yeah, the guy said we brought the sun. We're so happy because we always bring the rain. Those are the dragon trees. This one is around 300 years old. And the ones found in the nature here, not planted by people, they're very little. They're just in this park and 2 in Ribeira Brava. They're the only ones, natural ones. So around 300 years old. And they said there is one dragon tree in Canary Islands that's 500 years old. It's the oldest dragon tree they have recorded in those archipelagos. And the dragon tree, they say it's really hard to really say how old they are because they don't have the rings like the normal trees, so they only can estimate by the size of the trees. It's not really accurate like the other trees. So this plant, you see, it's called Figueira do Inferno. The translation is hell fig tree, because it is very poisonous. So, hell, fig tree from hell.
Good.
So and
it's good for ex-wives and...
Yeah, it's very poisonous. And the guide, or saying our guide is Paulo. And unfortunately, as he worked for the government, he can't be in the video, so he was explaining everything to us. And I'm trying to remember everything he explained. And he explained me in Portuguese, so that's why I'm getting a little bit lost in translation here, but I'm trying my best. He was saying in the 15th, 16th century, the dragon trees, they realized the dragon trees, the liquid, the amber from the dragon trees is red like blood. The dragon tree, it has some blood in it. So they realize it's really good to use for varnish, to tint wood and also clothes and stuff. So they almost killed all the dragon trees for the liquid. So that's why today you only have few dragon trees, original ones, because they almost killed all of them during the 15th, 16th century. So those dragon trees, they are the ones with 300 years old. The one in the back, the big one. So this tree is called till, is one of the endemic species from Laura Silva forest. It's not the natural habitat here because it's usually up in the forest, but here they planted one, so they have one specimen here to show people. This tree is also endemic from Madeira, and he told me the name, but I completely forgot, so if you know the name, please leave in the comments below.
This bumblebee is not on our payroll.
Yeah.
He with us. He's a freelancer bee.
So this tree is a cedar wood, and is endemic from Madeira. It's very rare. The Sé Cathedral is, the ceiling is covered with this wood. This is the Fennel. It's what gave, in Portuguese is Funchal, is what gave Funchal its name. This alpha Zema is an endemic species of Madeira. They have it all over the world, but this type is just from Madeira. So guys, that was it for today. This is the Dragon Tree Park.
It's very beautiful, so if you have some time, come out here. If you have a car, it's easier. If not, go by Uber. It's not so expensive from the city center.
It's very easy to arrive here. Sorry. And I'll leave in the description below, I'll leave the address and how to get here. Is very easy. When you come up, if you come by car, there's the street Portada something. I will put the name in the description, but it's just in the beginning of the street is the green gate. There's no name, so it can be a little bit confusing, but we'll show you.
Just look for this tree through the gate.
Yeah. just show them the gate a little bit. Yeah. So it's this first gate is just in the beginning of the street. It's really easy to find. They will be very happy to give you any instructions and to show you the park. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.